Hello everyone. Today we are having the presentation related to the data science, which is very important topic now these days. And the two things, machine learning and data science, are increasing. Application of these two things are increasing day by day. As far as the job has been concerned, this is the number one topic now these days. So we must know what is data science first of all. So I'm starting my presentation. In my presentation, first of all, we will see what is data science and its importance, and second thing, how data science being performed. Third thing, that what is the relation between AI and data science, and number four, what are the requirements or prerequisites for data science, means what basic knowledge or basic things you required in order to be a data scientist, right? So we are starting. First of all, what is data science? It is a interdisciplinary field having a multi common fields that uses algorithm, procedures and process in the large amount of data to uncover hidden pattern, generate insight and direct decision making. Whatever we are having the data now these days, a large amount of data has been processed, and what the hidden information has been given, that we have to find out, and that branch is called data science. It includes also machine learning, it includes statics, it includes data analysis. So several things make the data science. What are the importance of the data science? That's a big point. Up to the 2028, 11.5 million jobs will be created by data science as per the US Bureau of Labor Statistics. Okay, and up to 2028, the data scientists and analysts will become the number of emerging role in the world. So this is going to be a number one uh, job position. Data science and artificial intelligence amongst the hottest field, and in the 21st century this will impact on all segments of our daily life up to 2027. These are the stats given by the official uh, sites or organization. So now we see that what are the importance. It helps to brand to understand their customer, because after processing the data, the company comes to know that what are the choice of the customer and what are the behavior of the customer. According to that, the company can marketing their project, their campaign, and it's allow brand to communicate their story in a such emerging and powerful manner. If you are having appropriate data, then you can create a story on what you are going to produce in the market. Big data is a new field that is constantly growing and evolving. It is also a part of data science. Large amount of data are stored in the database, and whenever we require some important data, we can fetch this data from these large amount of databases are put together, known as big data. Another importance are there, its finding and result can be applied to the almost every sector. Means we are dealing with the data, and data is everywhere. So data science is capable of performing any analysis or any data in any fields, because without data there is no stream or branch of any particular sector. That's why it's called that. It's accessible to the almost all sectors based on the previous data. We have some video also to get to know uh, the importance of the data science, or why it's so important. You can see it later on. I'm going to the next slide. The application of the data science. We comes to the next thing, that is application of the data science. Almost each and every area data science has been used, and some of the area like internet search, when you give the search into the Google engine, and you will see that a lot of hyperlinks been shown to you. That is by using the data science, by collecting, by extracting the particular information you want to see from these large database. It is an application area of the data science. Data advertisement, we can see that a lot of company advertise themselves by using some digital means or digital device, and that is also the application of data science, from where they get the data from, by using data science only. Okay, then we have a recommendation system. uh, Whatever you are searching, whatever you are doing, it will check by the data science the previous history, and according to that it will show you suggestion of your choice. So this is also a application of the data science. Image processing is also a data science application. Speech recognition. Then we have price comparison websites. Then we have airline routing planning. Then we have fraud and risk detection. Then we have delivery logistics. Then we have healthcare. So you can see that almost each and every area data science has been used. And also fact about the data generation, every 2.5 quintillions byte of data has been created in a single day. So you can imagine that how much data is going to be created each and every day. With so much information at our fingertip, we are adding to the data stockpile every time we turn to our search engine for the answers. We are increasing, we are getting data more and more, so that we can find out the correct information. So this is all about the data generation, which data has been used by the data science. And that's a statics show that more than 500 terabytes is a unit of the data, measuring the data. 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabyte. Okay, so a single jet engine can generate over 10 terabyte of the day in 30 minutes of flight time. So you can see that how much data generated by each and every application in a half an hour single day. A lot of data can be generated. Now the second point is that how data science works. Let's see. First of all, we collect the data, okay, from the various sources. Then we analyze the data. What data being having of our use, or then we find out the insights, hidden information that being reside in that data, to get an appropriate decision by getting the insight from this information. Okay, now we are having, for example, an organization is working towards finding the potential leads for their sales teams. Means potential factor that has been very much important for the growth of the organization. So that helps a company or organization very much. Okay, now we will see that we have a video also on the data science Colab. It will show you, if you don't have much programming language about that, even then you can generate your programs and can get the desired output. You can do data visualization, you can analyze your data. So even if you are not a good programmer, or you know only the basics of the programming, even then by using this application you can generate your program. Those are required in the data science. By using the data science collab, you can see this video later on. I'm just going to the next slide. the next topic, that is AI and data science. Although we have mentioned that data science is the domain of AI, but it is more than that. It can have several other things also, like analysis the data, like collecting, like finding the insights, like data visualization, getting the decision. So these things being additionally uh, done in the data science, right? Are the two technologies that are transforming the world, be changing the worlds. Artificial intelligence powers the data science operation. It's not completely dependable on AI, right? It requires machine learning algorithm which depends on the AI. Dependency of the AI is carrying a work done automatically by the machine by using machine learning algorithm. So you must know about the machine learning which I have shown you in the last presentation. So these things are interlinked together what we are covering. So this is the requirement. If you want to go into the data science field, you must know machine learning uh, in advance, right? These are the comparison between AI and the data science are required. I just told you knowledge of ML like R and Python. You can learn only any of these two to perform various data operations, and it has more tools apart from the AI. Data science carrying more tools because I told you in the last to last PPT that data science involves multiple steps to analyze data and generate insights. And the data science models are built of for static insight, where AI used to build models that mimic cognition and human understanding. It represents the human mind, that is called mimic cognition and human understanding, and the data science based on the stats that have been found in the data. You can say that pattern also. Okay. Now these data science will help them organization to make the data driven decisions that access their performance, improve their performance in the market, while AI will help you the industrial work by using smart devices and software that will minimize the workload and optimize all the process for the improved innovation. So that is the link between the data science and the AI. Data science will have helps you to make the correct decision, quick decision by going through the historical data, while artificial intelligence makes the work automatically by using smarter devices and software to optimize the role of the machines. This is the diagram that data science has been used in almost each and every sector, whether it is a AI, whether it's a ML, what is a DL, whether it's a math or stats or visualization. So data science involves all these things. That's why it's so important. That's why it is increasing day by day. What are the prerequisites? What are the requirements to learn the data science that has been given in this part? You must know computer science, machine learning, stats, visualization, and human computer interaction in order to work with our data science. We are almost very much familiar with computer science as well as machine learning, those are statical mean, median, nodes, and so many other things. Visualization means to make your data in the form of pictures, graphs, so that it can be understandable, charts easily, and you can interact with the computer. Now these days, I think everybody knows to interact with the computer, working on the computer. So that's why it's not very difficult to learn the data science now these days because we are having everything in our reach. That's why roadmap, how you will what thing we are coming to the roadmap of the data science is, if you want to be a data scientist, what steps you should take in order to cover data science. First of all, you must familiar with any programming language like Python or R. If you know both the things is good, but even then you learn the Python, that will be enough for the data science. Number second thing is that mathematics and stats. If you know the basics, mathematics and statics, that will be the additional benefit for you. Data visualization, to convert your data in the form of picture, graphs, charts. For this, you have having a powerful library of Python, that is matplotlib. Okay, and then we have machine learning. Machine learning, we must know that what we done previously also, supervised learning or reinforcement learning, and related to that, their algorithms have been given in this PPT. And then we have a project related to the data stored in the on the various sites, in how to extract these data, how to implement these data into your programs, including in your program. If you know that, that's very easy for you to handle the data science project overall, right? Here we are having some features of the Python language that been covered by the from class 11th and 12th, even in the 9th and 10th also. So these are the features that is in Python programming, is being mostly used by the data scientist. Very versatile, and provide you so many libraries that will be helpful in the roadmap of the data scientist. So it's very important or compulsory to learn Python if you want to go into the field of data science. Another thing is that it can store the data in the various format, as well as it can import the SQL structured query language tables which carry your previous data by using the Python language. Uh, there are a lot of libraries in Python, those can be used by the data scientist. So in order to go into this branch, you must know the Python. That is an essential uh, requirement for the data scientist. Thank you very much for seeing this video. Next time we'll go for some more videos related to our AI and data science. Thank you very much, and it's all for today. Next time we will have some more